Matthew, Landen, and the UMBC maintenance request for virtual walkthrough for the fall 2014 Principles of Programming Languages Project 1. In this video, I'm going to show you at least 3 different form submissions. First with all the data, then with only the required data filled in. Finally, a submission with less than all the required data to demonstrate my form validation. So to build the form, open up any web browser and go to the link provided and you'll get to this page. Now the first 3 text boxes are name, email, phone number, and with any other form text box, Google Chrome will remember your previous answers, which you can select to autofill. So that makes it easy. For the phone, I provide a default template for the user to know how to format the number, and I'm going to use the campus number as an example. Now, the first required category denoted by the red asterisk is the problem category, which is going to be a drop-down menu with the 4 categories that we have. Now, when you click a category, this subcategory box is going to pop up. It is also a drop-down list with the corresponding subcategories under the specific category that we picked. Now, if the user wants to change what category they want, then the subcategory list will also change. The next field is the ability, which is a drop-down list of the alphabetical list of all the buildings on campus. We're going to use the chemistry building as an example. And finally, the description box. If you look below the description box, you have a count of the number of characters left, which starts at 55, and as you type, it will decrease. Now that we have all the data, we'll submit our first form. It gives you a confirmation to check that right, we can look at the data.php debugging page, and we can refresh, and our entry pops up with the correct values that we entered. Notice the building and problem codes have been converted to the various facilities ID code for identification. When we go back to the form, we're going to submit another request, and we're not specifying the name, the email, and the phone number because it is not required. The idea behind that is that the plan was for that information to come from my UMBC. So we're not going to require that. Either. So the only three required boxes are category, building, and description, not the separate category. Okay, so let's try that submission, and we'll get the page, and there you go. It showed up probably without the contact name, email, or phone number, which is fine. As far as validation goes, it's going to tell the user if they do not have a required field. So, for example, if I only submit a building, hit submit without category or description, it will give me an error message saying I need to enter a category and a description. It will also highlight the fields so the user knows what the problem is. If no field is specified when they first get to the form and they submit, it will highlight all three required fields and tell them they need all three. Now, finally, I'm going to show you my personal database widget where I'm getting the values from the category and building. So, in my personal database, I have 4 tables, 3 of which are to make the form. The buildings has all the building names and the code. The categories are the categories with the code. 2 categories are the names, what category they fall under, and finally the output table. it will collecting all the data for the time being. In the future, this will be moved to the facility's main database, but for right now, it's my database. Their system is going to fill in the transaction number and many of the other fields. But as you can see, the data that they submitted is in the table properly. So, thank you for watching my demonstration. And I hope that my project is good. Hi,